Are big investors really buying so many homes that it's making it impossible for regular people like you and me to find one? I've got the answer coming up. Hi, thank you for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater, along the Florida Suncoast. I hope these 2-minute videos help answer a lot of your real estate questions, whether you become a customer, a client, a friend, or even if we never ever meet. If one video helps you, I've accomplished my goal. So hit the subscribe button below, subscribe to the channel, and scroll the videos. There's over 100 topics below to help you. Now, back to our question. Are big investors really buying so many homes that it makes it impossible for regular people like you and me to find one? Well, actually, no. Here is what's really happening. This graph shows two things. First, those big investors you hear about on social media were never buying up all the available homes. Second, they're buying even fewer homes now. In 2022, they bought about 2% of all single-family homes sold. Now, it's dropped to less than 1%. Admittedly, it's higher in Florida. So, don't believe everything you hear about the big investors. They aren't buying up all the homes and making it impossible for you to buy a house. Yeah, regular people. If you have questions about what's available in our local market, let's talk. I can help you understand what's really going on, and I try to keep things very simple. Remember to subscribe to our channel below. I'll share with you the best kept secrets on Florida real estate right here on the Florida Suncoast. And I'm glad to answer any questions for you anytime. Reach out, and I'm glad to talk to you. You can see homes right now, of course, at MrBeachHouse.com. Call me at 855-MR-BEACH.